First of all, we need to know something. This is not used for predicting something. This is not used for predicting something. This is used for. So it is what? It is a classification. So don't confuse. It is. Don't confuse. It is linear regression. Linear regression is used for what? Prediction. But this is used for cost. Very clear boundary we have to draw. Okay, after that, that is not used for multi-classification problem. This is used for So what is exactly binary classification? Yes, like कल मेरी शादी होगी या नहीं? Okay, fine. So this is, but it is going to be only yes, no, 0, 1, high, low. That is a very good algorithm for binary classification. Like in the first example, we have a 5 class, na? Index 0, like index 5 index. So that case we are not going to use this type of algorithm. I am going to tell you why. But yes. This can be used for multi-classification, but its suggestion generally is very good for binary classification. Okay, but we need to ask. You have to ask, sir, this is a classification algorithm. Why you add linear regression? So we are going to be. I am just clarifying this. Why this regression and what is the logistic? So first of all, listen, understand. First algorithm KNN was. Yes. No problem. It was a non-parametric algorithm. Yes. Regression was? Or what was the third one? What was the third type? Probabilistic? Parametric, non-parametric and probabilistic. So this is? Understand why I select these 3 algorithms? You get in all type of, this is first day we start with non-parametric, second day we start with parametric, and then a third type of model that is called probabilistic. It means it's completely based on probability. It is going to be based on probability. So it's a probabilistic model. And okay, so what is the meaning of logist? Anyone? What is the meaning of logist? What is it? अभी logist term का नाम सुना है? Log. Yes, we can do the log. Yes. That is basically called here. We can say the log. Okay. So, but this is a probability. What is the probability? If you ask a probability of PS, how it's given? Pn RTC. We can say that. We can say that. Total number of record number. So this if you okay. So reverse of probability is basically known as odds. Like if it is a probability, so we can say that P divided by 1 minus P. This is called odds. And if you take log of this, it is called. Understand what logistic come from here? Understand why I am going to write this. So why it is logistic? Because it is ln natural log of P upon 1 minus P, and this is basically called, in single term, this is called logit. So understand LO logit, and this logist is derived from here. And what is a regression? Now we are going to understand. We are going to understand what is logist first of all. So let us start with linear regression. So what is the outcome of linear regression? This is a linear regression. We are going to be give input x1, x2, x3. Is it clear? We are going to be x1, x2, x3 multiply. Everything is going to be multiplied by a coefficient. Yes or no? M2, M1, M3, and this is going to be multiplied xi into M1. But generally M is noted as Wi. Is it clear? Weight. It's called weight. So, and what is the output if this is a linear, and this is called the hypothesis, and with that add with bias. Is it clear? The whole equation, like look, this hypothesis h theta generally is represented by h theta, and this become wx plus, and this is the equation of linear regression, same as mx plus c. Any problem? Just I change M with weight and P with pi. A neural network. Okay. Now what is the output of this equation? Output may be minus infinity and कोई problem? There should be no problem. What is the outcome of linear regression? Continuous value. Continuous value is minus infinity and continuous value is. But what is the purpose of logistic regression? The logistic regression output always 0 R1, high R low. Is it clear or not? Sorry. Negative logic. Fine? True or false? So, but what is the goal? What is the goal? This is a regression output and this is logistic output. So, we need to pass this value. We need to pass this value with any function. Is it clear? And that function is fuse the infinite, positive infinite and negative infinite into 0 and 1. And what is the purpose of log? What is the purpose of log? To fuse the higher value to. Is it clear or not? About rate and all. Is it clear? So we are going to be apply a function. The function can excuse the. Okay, and this function is known as sigmoid function. This function is known as. Okay, and in neural network, this state function is in neural network. This function is known as activation function. Okay, leave it about neural network. Leave it. That's exactly neural network. So why this is a logistic? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And why it's regression? Because the outcome is a completely ultimately based on linear regression equation. The core of is completely linear regression equation. It means, and this in what is the goal? First step, the outcome of the linear regression is a continuous minus infinity to infinity. And what is the goal of logistic regression? 0, 1. For that purpose, we are going to be introduce one method. The method can downgrade or method can normalize minus infinity to 0 and plus infinity to. Is it clear? So understand. So understand why it's called a logistic regression. Logistic means it's odd. So let us call what we are going to be find. This what is the equation of sigmoid? Anyone? What is a sigmoid? What is the function of sigmoid? Tell me. 1 upon 1 plus e to power minus j. And what is exactly z? Z is nothing. This is nothing. If we are getting 1 plus e to power minus summation of xi wi plus. Is it clear? So the input of sigmoid function is basically equation of logistic regression. So and always this function is going to give two values. It is going to be give the values and the values always between 0 and 1. Just check it. Is it clear? The value is going to be always give between 0 and 1. Means excluding 0 and excluding 1. Open interval. Excluding 0 and now on the basis of this is going to be give the probability. And what probability is going to be give? We are going to be learn. Understand first. So this is going to be give 2 probability. Now this is going to be 1 upon 1 plus e to power minus. Let us take mx plus c. Is it clear? So on the basis of x and c, we are going to be decide it belong to 0 or it belong to 1. Yes or no? So we need to define the one hypothesis. This is known as threshold. What we need to know? So what is the threshold? If it is above 0.5%, we call if
below.
If it is above 0.5, we understand this feature is a match towards a true function. If below, so what we are going to be find? We are going to be calculate 2 probability. First is probability of y being 1 at given of x. Probability of y being 0 at given, if this is greater than 0.5, then x match with 1. If this below 0.5, this called x. Is it clear? So we need to, so that is the right probability. So we are going to find two type of probability. One probability giving what is the probability for being 1 and what is the probability for being 1, and summation of both probability would be 1. So if probability of being 1 is higher, then we call, oh, this is 1, and if 0, this is. Is it clear? Let us derive another equation. So let us call probability P equal to, so what is sigmoid function? E to power beta 0 plus beta 1. Let us mx plus c. We can say anything. 1 plus e to power, tell me, beta 0 plus, divide कर दो बात बराबर. Divide the whole equation by e to power beta 0 plus beta 1 x. Same thing ना? किसी नंबर को एक से ऐड करके उसी नंबर से डिवाइड कर दें तो क्या आएगा? वही तो लिखा हो y upon 1 plus, तो ऑलवेज क्या होगा? आउटपुट 0 और 1 के बीच में आ जाएगा ना, और उसका लॉग ले लें. सॉरी, अगर मैं सिंपली p upon 1 plus p लिखता हूँ, माइनस p लिखता हूँ तो क्या होगा? लॉग क्यों लिया गया? ये 0 से लेके इनफाइनाइट तक हो जाएगा ना. जैसे लॉग लिया हो तो इनफाइनाइट वाला भी 1 पे आ जाएगा. Understand why we are taking log? Okay. So let us take this equation and just multiply with this. Let us take a probability p plus p into e to power beta 0 plus beta 1x equal to e to power beta 0 plus beta 1. Is it clear or not? Let us take p 1 minus, just simplify, p minus 1 minus p
e to power b naught
e to power
beta naught
b 0 plus beta 1 x equal to
p.
Let us solve it, please. P or minus p?
P sir, P sir. P sir.
Is it clear? It means e to power beta 0 plus beta 1 x equal to p by magic. Take a log both sides. Beta 0 plus beta 1 x is equal to log of p upon 1 minus. दोनों एक ही चीज तो है. Agree? And this equation is a linear equation, and this equation is, understand why logistic regression, because the equation is derived from same equation. Is it clear? This vary from 0 to, sorry, minus infinity to, this vary from 0 to 1. And the function doing this is called sigmoid function, and the function is, clear it is? Okay, clear? The concept why it's called logistic regression. गुलाब जामुन का नाम सुने हो? गुलाब होता है, जामुन होता है. इसी तरह लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन है, लेकिन रिग्रेशन का काम नहीं है. Don't. Concept is clear? No, that is called probabilistic algorithm. Now just do some more. So people ask, tell me what is the hypothesis equation of logistic regression? You are going to be called 1 upon 1 plus e to power minus j. And we can derive the same thing. Let us take y. I just take a probability. The probability of this, I just take one assumption and do the same thing. I find the same equation with same. So what we पहले बोल दिया था जिसको मैथ से थोड़ा प्यार नहीं है, आंखें बंद करके सो जाओ, उसको सो रहे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. They are clear. There are three type of people. उन्होंने कर लिया तो क्या कर लिया, क्योंकि वर्ड यूज किया था ना, उन्होंने किया तो क्या कर लिया। दूसरे होते हैं हमसे तो सो जाते हैं, बहुत अच्छा है। तीसरे होते हैं ऐसा क्या है जो हम नहीं करते। तो आप सोचो किस कैटेगरी में हम आते हैं। Just classify yourself. What is your category? Okay. Fine. So, fine. So let us. I'm going to draw the complete linear regression. This is the x1, x2, and this is a case of neural network. x1, x2, x3. This is going to be passed with the model. The model is called summation of xi and wi, and they are going to be add with some bias. ये neural network बना रहा हूँ तुमको बिना नाम लिए. Just bias. This is going to be passed by activation function, and this is going to be give proper result. And here this activation function is. And why you take the sigmoid function? Because what was the task? To minus infinity to plus infinity, we need to increase the value 0. What is the logit? Logit is the p upon 1 minus p log. Why take the log? Because we know the output of this equation is the output is this equation minus infinity to, and now we take it 0 and 1. Okay, so this is, so what we are going to do, log of p equal to 1. Is it clear? Log of p equal to 1 divide by 1 upon, tell me the equation, 1 upon p equal to 1. Is it clear? Equal to log of p equal to 1 equal to 1 divide by p equal to y equal to. Is it clear है ना? किसी होने की संभावना p है तो ना होने की संभावना क्या होगी? Is it clear? Clear? Okay, and that is nothing. It is equivalent to what? Beta 0 plus beta 1x plus beta 2x. Depend upon the attribute independently. Is it clear or not? Okay. What is it? Always. What is this? P equal to what? P equal to 1 is means the probability of something happening and probability of something not happening is given by beta 0 plus 1 plus beta 0 to x plus. Is it clear or not? But so we can classify it now. P equal to 1 and P equal to 0 because this is exactly what? Probability of y equal to 0 I had given